Welcome back to the Complete Guide to Reading Rhythms Practice Along course. We're on section 9.1. We're on line 8 at 55 beats per minute. As always, we're tapping our foot and counting out loud while we play. We're making extra care during this section 9.1 to emphasize beat 1 as we count so you're not getting lost in the beat. Let's get started again. Here's line 8. 1, 2, line 8 and go, and 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, and 2 E and a 3, line 9, go, 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4. Line 10, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4. 11, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4. Line 12, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3, 4. Great job. We're bumping it up to 60 beats per minute. Going back to the top, sitting tall, tapping our foot while we play and count. We're emphasizing beat 1 still. I know I'm saying it over and over and over because it's important that you hear it, because that's the whole point of what we're doing, is to make sure that you're getting these handful of basic fundamentals and you're reminded of them. Because, again, that's the whole point of what we're doing. 2, line 1, 1, 2, ready, and go, and 1, 2, 3, 4 E and a 1, 2, 3, 4 E and a 1, 2, 3, 4 E and a 1 and 2 and 3. Line 2, 1, 2, 3 E and a 4, 2, 3 E and a 4, 1, 2, 3 E and a 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Line 3, 1, 2 E and a 3, 1, 2 E and a 3, 4, 1, 2 E and a 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Line 4, go, 1 E and a 2, 3, 4, 1 E and a 2, 3, 4, 1 E and a 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Line 5, go, 1, 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3. Line 6, 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, 1 and 2 E and a 3. Line 7, go, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, 4, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, 4, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, 4, 1 and 2 E and a 3. Line 8, go, 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3. Line 9, 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4. Line 10, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4. 11, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4. Line 12, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3, 4. Very nice. We got 12 seconds left. I'm going to give it to you. We're going to start at 65 beats per minute on our next session tomorrow. Great job today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and we'll see you then. Have a great rest of your day.